This lesson we're looking at ratios. So, a ratio compares two or more parts or quantities expressed in the same unit. So the ratio of sand to water is 3:1. So by the same unit, it means they both need to be in centimetres, they both need to be in metres, kilometres, whatever it might be. So when we're asked to simplify some ratios, we have 15 centimetres to 29 centimetres. What this means is we write it as 15, 2 becomes like a colon, and then 29. There's no number that I can actually divide into both 15 and 29 in order to simplify that and make them smaller. So that's all we need to do for that one. For our next one, we have 25 minutes to, that's what our colon means, 1 hour and 21 minutes. So these need to be in the same unit. So I need to turn my hours and minutes into just minutes. So I have 25. We know that 1 hour, well, that's 60 minutes. And then I'm going to add my 21 minutes. So I get to 81 minutes. Now again, there's nothing that I can divide into both of those to make them simpler. So that's as far as we go. When we get to example C, it's a little bit different. What we're doing here is we're thinking, well, I have 10 and 8. What number can I divide evenly into both of those to make them smaller? So I can divide both of these by 2. If I divide 10 by 2, I get 5. If I divide 8 by 2, I get 4. Now that's as simple as we can make that one. The next one here, I have 6 to 12 to 15. So I need to think, what number can I evenly divide into all of those? And for that, it's going to be 3. So 6 divided by 3 gives me 2. 6 divided by 12 is 4. And 15 divided by 3 gives us 5. So we have 2 to 4 to 5 in our ratio. The last one's a little bit trickier. We have a fraction. We have 3 over 4 to 2 over 3. Now what I need to do here is I need to convert these into having the same denominator. So my same denominator is going to be 12. So I'm going to have something over 12 to something over 12. Now what did I multiply 4 by to get to 12? That was 3, so I do the same to the top. And what do I divide the bottom by on the right hand side? So 3 I multiply by 4, so then I get to 8. So what this tells me is that I end up with 9 to 8.